Very well said. Very well said. I'll take maybe 2-3 more minutes, and it's going to be very, very relevant for all the participants as well. So I have a quick, rapid fire round where I will pose a question on behalf of all the participants, because I really wish that we could have taken all the questions, but I'll try to summarize in the rapid fire round. And I'll request all the panelists to respond in a word or a sentence as the question goes. So first question, the answer is fully, partially, or no. So you have to just say one word, either fully or partially or not really. The question is, Indian intermediates and API industry is expected to witness transformational change. At the same time, it's faced with unprecedented opportunities. Is Indian intermediates and API industry equipped to face challenges and capitalize on the opportunities?
Partially.
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 I say yes.
Fully.
Fully.
Mr. Bhaskar?
Fully होने में time लगेगा गोदा साहब.
I am very positive over
Mute, Mr. Bhaskar.
Uday, you unmute Uday.
Sir, the opinion of Duaji and Godaji is my opinion, because I'm
That's being
the positive news is that at least we are prepared. Fully and partially can always be taken as relative, and I think that's good signal. Next quick word you have to answer, quick question you have to answer in one word, and that is, we have spoken about lot of changes, lot of new products, new therapies, new molecules, new processes, so on and so forth. So how would you describe the industry readiness in one word?
Work in process.
Okay. Amit?
Investment.
Talent.
Sorry, sir?
Talent.
Talent. Okay. Mr. Majmudar?
I would go by work in process.
Okay. Mr. Bhaskar?
they should plan on their own.
One word,
instead of,
One word.
I don't have any word to say.
We'll take Dr.
Final
Dua
word is Godaji's word.
from your side. So one final word from Goda Saab.
There are two words: continuous improvement.
Very nice.
Good,
Very
good,
nice.
good, good.
And that brings me to the last question, and it could be a sentence, basically one sentence. What is that one thing? And it's actually a very important question to sum up the entire discussion. What is that one thing that industry players, pharma intermediates and API players in particular, must adopt, must do or must not do to overcome challenge and tap the opportunity before India? What is that one thing which they should do or they should not do, or they must do or they must not do to overcome the challenge or tap the opportunity before India?
See, collaboration amongst the players and data management. I'll
Collaboration and data management.
I will allude to Godaji. I'm qualifying it. I'll allude to Godaji that unless we differentiate and make sure that we are not over capacity, as Uday also said, we be dead. We have to be within the global capacity constraints.
Sure.
This is my viewpoint.
Mr. Jain?
Global scale. We have to think of global scale and think big.
Sure. Mr. Majmudar?
Yeah, I would say should be avoid the temptation of the horizontal transfer of technology. If I'm clear on.
Sure.
I think Dr. Dua has understood that. I'm not using the word of piracy, but it's horizontal.
Yeah, respect for intellectual property.
Yes.
Sure.
The temptation to be avoided. That's.
Amit?
We have to keep technology in mind. We have to understand that China is moving now into the next phase of biologics and large molecules. We are still given the market we have, we're still there where we are trying to pull our things together. I think we need to think 2 steps ahead. And it's not one sentence, Mahavir, unfortunately. I think there are multiple things to be done. One is this has to be an industry coordinated effort to bring in government incentive and make sure that we don't create supply gluts. I think second is we need to occupy the space that China is leaving vacant for us. And we need to move into that very quickly. I think that we need to encourage private capital investment into this area. And right now, I think amongst the investment sources that are there in the country, among segments, this is a very, very ripe investment source. So we really should move and capture some private venture, private equity capital into this and develop this industry.
Sure, sure. Well said, Amit. Godha Saab?
As the future, as Amit has mentioned about biological developments, whatever it is happening, biotech, it's a segment only, I will believe, for the time being, the bigger people. Not people who want to think in terms of intermediates. The focus will be required about a product. And again, as Amit has mentioned, technology is very, very important, and the scale. So both are important. One has to be very cautious about deciding about the products and how do one scales up, and the technology. Again, I'm repeating more and more number of times, because without this survival on at least small molecules will be a long term very difficult.
Sure.
And whether by any source one can find out the gap where China is withdrawing, where India can make their own place. That's another way to look into it. That yes, China is not able to compete because of. Once we know the cause, we can address. That's what I think.
Can I comment? I want to add on to what Godaji has said, Mahavir, if you permit me 1 minute.
Yeah, please.
See, I've handled biologics in Wockhardt when nobody was there in biologics. I handled, sir, in Aurangabad, we had the biological park, which still is. So I think if for India to succeed, you will have to look at the US model, particularly in California, where you have hub and spoke model. You have the centralized developer of biosimilars or biologicals, even innovation biologics, right? And you have slew of chota 10 by 10 kind of situation. All these young beavers, they have these small little labs of theirs. They do all the research in there, and then they reach out to the big brother or big company to fit that into their scheme of things. So Godha sir, if you kindly permit me, IPCA, for example, could be a front runner, provided we create this hub and spoke model, sir. If you can reach out to youngsters who are really amazingly talented, sir, and all of them want to come back to India from US and Europe, right? If they can set up small little labs and that can happen, then, sir, you would have created a revolution, sir.
Sir, what I know about these products,
Ji.
They are coming per liter, let us say 1 gram, 2 grams, 3 grams.
Ji.
And somebody talks 10 grams, your whole effort of bloody 10 years is out.
Bilkul theek hai, sir.
So the technological changes are taking
very
so
right.
much. Even in biology, these biotech products, we are always afraid of the situation, even though we are doing development work for last 5 years. But the moment we talk about the 2 grams, somebody is talking 3 grams.
3 grams. Upstream, downstream, उसमें भी लोचा है, sir.
Yes, बहुत बड़ा लोचा है उसमें, तो सर उसमें आउट होने में पता भी नहीं लगेगा कि लोकतंत्र का लीडर था, आज है ही नहीं.
I remember looking at a similar crisis when they got into it.
Yes.
But anyway, sir, let's see.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so
But
much.
anyway, it's a continuous work.
Ji.
Yes, Godha sir, please.
No, I think we had a good discussion. You gave us a good time.
It's the other way around. In fact, we have taken a lot of your time.
Yes,
we have,
yes.
allocated till 12:30 maximum, but I think we have taken 6 minutes more. So I respect, time of all the, industry leaders, expert panelists, and all the participants. I think it has been a wonderful, we lived the entire industry, I would say, in last 2.5 hours. And we have covered from,